Nowadays, the verb to curate appears frequently. We listen to curated playlists, eat from curated menus, or stream films from curated platforms. But what does curating mean in the art world? Curating in art is an endeavor of researching, selecting, managing, acquiring, organizing, inventorying, and presenting art, most often in the form of curating exhibitions. The main aim of the curator is to create a synergy in which the sum of the different artworks is more than the individual parts, providing an additional value in the form of socio-political or art historical interpretation, education, or inspiration for the public. Interestingly, the word curator or curating is derived from the Latin word cura or curar, which means to care or to take care. Curators care about art, the artist, and their audience. They take care of the artwork, the presentation and the organization of the show. They are specialized in art history, but also in managing an exhibition practically, at galleries, institutions and beyond. Think of loans of artworks, press, and of course providing curatorial texts, becoming the central figure and point of contact of the show. The curator creates an entirely different world of art and invites us and guides us to discover more than we could have ever imagined.